DoorDash operates a comprehensive digital wallet system, but there's an important limitation you need to understand about transferring money from the app. As of August 2025, DoorDash does not allow users to transfer promotional credits or account balances directly to external bank accounts. However, legitimate order refunds work differently. DoorDash's digital wallet system includes four main types of credits and refunds. Each type has different rules about whether it can be transferred back to your original payment method. When you do receive a legitimate refund that goes back to your original payment method, the processing time depends on your payment type. Let me show you the timeline for each method. The most important thing to remember is the distinction between refunds and credits. Refunds for actual orders go back to your original payment method automatically, while promotional credits stay in your DoorDash account and can only be used for future orders. Since DoorDash credits cannot be directly transferred to your bank account, the key is using them strategically within the app to maximize their value. First strategy: use your credits for larger orders. This maximizes the value you get from your credits rather than using them on small individual purchases. For example, when you see a delivery opportunity like this, using your accumulated credits on larger orders gives you better value than spending them on smaller purchases. Second strategy: always monitor expiration dates. DoorDash credits expire after 12 months of account inactivity, so set reminders to use them before you lose their value. Looking at future trends, the food delivery market is experiencing massive growth, expanding from $210 billion to over $600 billion by 2034. Increased regulatory pressure for digital wallet transparency and growing consumer demand for financial flexibility suggests that platforms like DoorDash may need to offer more flexible credit systems in the future. Important warning: third-party services claiming to cash out DoorDash credits are often scams. Avoid them completely. Instead, follow these best practices. Keep your payment methods active for legitimate refunds, document any issues promptly, and use your credits strategically within the app. While DoorDash doesn't currently offer direct cash-out options for credits, smart credit management and strategic usage will help you maximize their value within the platform.